Hey, what's going on YouTube? I mentioned in an earlier video that my garage is, well, it's a disaster if we're being honest. It's absolutely horrid. And today, I'm gonna try to fix that. So to give you an idea of just how bad things are, why don't you come take a look at this real quick. So as you can see, it's pretty awful. I'm gonna try to get some shelves from Lowe's to put them somewhere back in that area and try to get some of this stuff. A lot of this stuff was meant to go to Goodwill and be sold in a garage sale that maybe never happened. So I've got some work to do, and we'll see how long it takes and what the final results are. Elephant's seen better days. Why can't the air just, you know, come out? Oh good, now the medallion.
And the wind whistled through the treetops.
I forgot to mention there's one slight problem that's making this a little bit more difficult. This door over here, yeah, it doesn't open anymore. The cable snapped. I didn't even know that was possible. The metal cable snapped and now it's jammed shut. And that happened like a year ago, so I should probably get that fixed. I like to go in sections. This looks better, but really I'm just kind of like piling it over there, so it just makes me feel better in the short term, but I don't know if I'm actually accomplishing anything. You ever feel that way? All right, Corvette out of the way, vacuuming up the disgusting mess. Progress made. Wide angle lens distorted. Let's go. All right, off to Goodwill. Apologize for the air conditioner noise, but it is hot in Atlanta. So heading to Goodwill, drop off some of this stuff. Round two. Why'd I just go? Who does that? Who does? Seriously. Forgot my wallet. Be right back. And I forgot my sunglasses. All right, at Goodwill, I'm gonna drop off the stuff and then probably head back and get another load, or 5. All right, sit rep. I decided to take the stuff back during rush hour. This was unwise. One of the persistent problems in the garage is the accumulation of stuff. So I just stopped at Lowe's. I'm gonna try to pick up some shelves and maybe I can get some of the stuff off the ground, or at least organized. We have a bit of an accumulation of stuff in the house as well, like Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations, all those kinds of things. And it would be good if they were somewhere else, like anywhere else, like on a shelf in the garage somewhere else. It's hard not to come here and imagine Christmas Vacation. If you haven't seen that movie, you need to check it out. I probably just dated myself. I'm extremely old to be doing YouTube, but you need to see Christmas Vacation. This is what I want my house to look like. I know it's Halloween, but is this a bit morbid? Oh, hi. Welcome to my home. Am I the only one that comes to Lowe's and feels like completely inadequate as a man? Like, I don't even know what like 1/10 of this stuff is. Probably like 1/100th. I know what these are. These are doorknobs. Where could I find a total garage makeover?
Aisle 6.
Thank you.
No problem.
Somehow I don't think my wife would be happy if I came to get garage shelving and I came home with all of this. It's a little bit more involved than shelving, but it looks way better. I'm gonna get myself into trouble. Ooh, this is what I need right here. I want my shelving to say Gladiator. It holds 1,500 pounds per shelf. That's like 3 of me. So much shelving. That one says medium duty. I want heavy duty. Maybe the garage won't be so hideous. So I totally started the camera thinking I could take the flat cart back to one of the cart return places, but they're too big for that, so I had to walk it all the way back up to the front, so I just left the camera in here running like an idiot. Look, shelves, and Honda, and it's hot. I mean, it's like really hot. It's about 91, 92 outside right now, and in the garage, it's about 150, give or take. All right, I can't pretend that it's the same day anymore. Not gonna lie, totally threw on the same shirt and shorts as yesterday when I was working on this, but it's going too long and it's like 6 o'clock and college football is on. So made pretty good progress. I'm gonna try to hit this again tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. It's not completely clean, as you can kind of see, but we are getting there. There's also something that you don't see. I'm gonna talk about that in the next video, so don't worry about it. Okay, moment of truth. The garage is mostly done. I look exactly the same as I looked before. Same facial hair, same shirt, same everything. It's not a week later. The day hasn't changed at all. The coffee you just saw was symbolic. It was metaphorical. But let's see how much progress I made in a day or 7. All right, well there you have the garage is mostly clean. There's still some work to be done. I mentioned earlier something that you don't see, and yeah, it's a motorcycle, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But until then, my name is Jax. If you haven't checked out the This Is Why We Ride submissions video yet, please do that. I would love for you guys to join in and be part of this community. If you like the video, please like it and consider subscribing. It does help in the mysterious YouTube algorithm, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe. Peace.